Hello, I'm Lana Tolbert with Lianro Metal Roofs, also known as Roof Lady. And in this episode, we're going to explore the beauty of stone-coated steel roofing. And also, we're honoring Independence Day, which is on Saturday. You know, this roof that we'll be showing you in the video is an American-made stone-coated steel roof. Not only is it beautiful, but it stands proud. It protects us. It's strong. It's got natural stone on it. It's just spectacular, and we think that's what America is. And so I hope that you'll enjoy our tribute to America the Beautiful and Stone-Coated Steel the Beautiful. Have an amazing 4th of July celebration. Metal up with a Lianro roof.